in the desert. No. We got a code 7. Alright. We got 7 flashes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got a brand new valve. So I had I came out and I did a service call, and it was the chamber sensor. So I replaced the chamber sensor, and then the next day the owner called me and told me he had a code 7. So I came out and changed the valve. That's the old valve right here that I replaced. It's 2019, so it's not very old. That's the old chamber sensor. And I told him to contact Ream and send him a replacement chamber sensor and send a replacement valve. So he's been sitting on these. That was probably a couple weeks ago, something like that. So these are good for Ream, Rude, Richmond, GE, and that's what we're going to install today. So this video is going to be a quick way to install a replacement valve. I'm not sure what's going on with this water heater. The valve I put in was good. It went for a couple of weeks. I kind of suspect this really skinny supply line, maybe it's pinched out over there or something. It's probably just not getting enough volume of gas. But he's got them on all the water heaters here, and they've all been running for a long time. So, you know, kind of hard to suspect that. But whenever I see these really tiny, kind of dryer sized, maybe it's leaking gas or something. Looks like it's kind of pinched right there. So that could be it. Could just be choking out. Well, let's see what we got here. So yeah, brand new valve. So we'll see how that does. But he got a code 7, well he got a code 9, and then he got a code 7. And then we took care of that. And then now we got another code 7. And so now we're going to put the valve in, but this video is going to be on a quick way to replace the valve. You do have to disconnect the gas line, obviously, because it's threaded into the valve. So that is something I didn't think about, so I didn't bring that tool with me. But basically you take the cover off. There's one screw. Kind of pry that back a little bit. We're definitely going to change. I'm kind of suspecting the motherboard on this one might be bad, because I don't think there's anything wrong with the valve. I think it's just the board. But we're going to change them both. And let's see here. Disconnect some of this. Get the pilot tube out of here. Disconnect the main gas line. Sweet. There we go. Shut the gas off. The gas is shut off. be able to. There we go. Let's connect this guy here. We'll see if he gets another code 7 out of this sucker. It looks like it's just slightly pinched, maybe. I don't have my glasses with me. But these lines are so tiny. Guess that's not a very good test, huh? I guess it's okay. This thing's ancient. Yeah, a lot of water heaters in here. Yeah, I gotta go get my wrench. In the meantime, you kind of do a reverse to this. So we're gonna take this new valve. Pretty. Put the cover over there. There's another screw that holds the valve in. It's right here. I don't have my glasses with me here. It's a little blurry. Take that screw out, and there's a couple of tabs. There's one right here, if you can see that, and another one right there, and that allows you to remove the valve body. Get the valve body out. We'll keep this. And we'll set that right here. Alright, and we'll be right back, which will be instantaneous. Okay, we're back. That was quick, huh? Chance to use my new wrench here. Okay, you remove the adapter. The screw for this one is right down here. Still don't remember my glasses. And tab and tab. Take that valve out. Put this valve in. Put the screw back. Remove the caps. Adapter back in here. This is the new motherboard or new cover. It goes with that new valve. There we go. I don't have my glasses with me. Yeah, I can't read that number. I'm sure it's different. I always put the main gas burner line in first because it requires the most amount of room. straight. Put the pilot tube back. That's pretty easy to thread. It takes a 7/16. The other size is 3/4 inch for the main gas line. And put the thermopile connector in, connect the spark wire, reconnect the chamber sensor. Alright, it's okay. We're back together. Just get the gas line back in here. I'm real careful with the skinny, ancient, old gas line here. I wonder if it was just pinched off. Tighten that down. We're going to try and give it a little bit of volume. I'm going to use a clamp to hold the pilot button down. And let it purge here. So I'm going to take this valve. I'll leave all this stuff here. Okay, I heard it. Hopefully you can see that back there. It's way in the back. It's reflecting off a mirror. And I should be getting a green or a blue light in a second. There we go. Okay, so that's probably the quickest way to replace a gas valve without unthreading it and draining down the water heater, and you still have to disconnect everything, obviously, but always make sure you shut the gas off. And we'll be leaving that for the owner as a backup, I guess. I'm going to take this one with me, leave him with the chamber sensor. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and if you have, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers because that's what everyone else is trying to do. But looks like it's going to take me a while. I make videos about water heater repair, mostly natural gas and propane. I do service calls like this. I do water heater installations. So if you made it this far in the video, thanks again. Appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up and a comment. And you guys have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.